everyone, it is Patrick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to have you here today. If it is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you see more of my beautiful face in future videos. And I have like a ton of videos in the, what's it called? I already filmed a lot of videos, so you can go ahead and watch those if you have not already. And if you are a loyal viewer, a loyal subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I am so excited to have you here back on my channel. So today I'm gonna film another Starbucks recipe that you can make at home. This is one of my new favorite drinks that I just discovered like a few days ago. I think this is going to be my new Starbucks drink for the summer. It is so good. I have slept on this for so long, but it has been on the menu for so long. I just never entertained the idea of it before, but I'm completely hooked. And when I found out that it's actually one of the easiest drinks that you can make from home, that got me even more interested. So today I'm gonna show you all how you can make a Starbucks matcha lemonade from the comfort of your own home. So yes, I have seen this on the menu at Starbucks for years now, but I just never ordered it. Like there was always something else I wanted a little bit more. It's really no surprise that I like it so much because it takes elements of other drinks that I love and it's kind of just like the best of both worlds. We get all of the earthy green tea matcha flavor from a matcha latte mixed with the refreshing, light, tangy sweetness that comes with lemonade, and we combine it to make this amazing drink. Okay, I found the description on the Starbucks app that says it's our finely ground matcha green tea combined with crisp lemonade, then shaken with ice, creates a refreshingly sweet, delicious drink with a delightfully vibrant green hue. Y'all, the color on this drink, it does look like it's a little bit like alien vibes. It looks so cute. It's perfect for summer. This is probably one of the most like refreshing drinks out there. The lemon flavor does something with the matcha. I don't know what kind of witchcraft is going on, but I'm here for it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. I mean, it is like a recipe, but it's like so simple that it's like not really a recipe. Okay, so the two ingredients that you, oh, well that's like four. Okay, so the two ingredients you're gonna need for this drink is grammar is so hard. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to need is matcha powder. So the one I have here is specifically made for drinks like this. It's actually a blend of sugar and matcha. It just adds a little bit of sweetness. It's already sweetened for you and it is perfect for drinks like this. This is one of those drinks where you don't really have to have like super high quality matcha. Matcha can get like pretty expensive and this is fine for what we're doing here today for this recipe. You do not have to splurge that much. I think this was around like $10 on Amazon. I will have it linked down below if you want to go ahead and get the same one that I'm using. So if this is your favorite drink or you want to add matcha into your smoothie bowls or you want to make like homemade matcha lattes, I would recommend that you go ahead and pick one of these up. Again, the link will be down below. And then the second thing that you're going to need is lemonade. Oh my gosh, it's like shocking. The two ingredients are green tea and lemonade. Who would have guessed? But you can go about this in a few different ways. Obviously, the route that I'm going is like the easy route. Have you met me? So I'm just using pre-made store-bought lemonade. It works for me. I get what I need out of it. I don't have to spend time like juicing lemons and like just doing a lot of work. Obviously, lemonade is very easy to make. So if you have like a favorite homemade lemonade recipe and you love it, go ahead and make that and just add this in. It will taste delicious, but you can also just do what I do and buy the lemonade pre-made. Either way is completely fine. So yeah, to make this drink, these are the only two ingredients that you are going to need. It is so simple, but both of these ingredients do have sweetener like already put into it. So all the work is pretty much done for us. There's a little bit of sugar in here, and then obviously lemonade has added sugar to it. So yeah, both of these ingredients are doing the heavy lifting, and we get to sit back and just make our lives a lot easier. And then you're also gonna wanna grab your favorite Starbucks tumbler. Obviously, we have to make this look like it came right from Starbucks. The measurements I'm gonna be using in this video are for a venti drink, but if you want a grande drink, if you want a Trenta drink, kind of just adjust the amounts a little bit. So the best way to actually make this drink is to shake it. That's what they do at Starbucks, and that's what makes this taste even better. I don't know what the science is behind it, but it does taste different if you stir this versus if you shake it. It's a lot better if you shake it. So my favorite way to shake iced drinks is by using my little NutriBullet blender. If you have like an official beverage shaker, go ahead and use that. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna add into my little blender cup is some ice. Now the beauty of doing these Starbucks drinks at home is you get to control the amounts of things that go into your drink. If you love a lot of ice, you can add a lot of ice. If you like light ice, you don't have to add that much ice. I'm just gonna fill this up until I think it's right. I don't have like an exact amount, but I will have an exact amount down below, but I'm just gonna eyeball it for this video. And now I'm gonna measure out like 1 3/4 of a cup of lemonade. That will do the job for one venti drink. Okay, so I'll pour the lemonade right over the ice. And now we can add in the matcha powder. Oh my gosh, this looks so cool. Matcha is just like the prettiest shade of green out there, and the fact that it's like edible is so cool. So because this is matcha powder made for baristas, we do have to use a little bit more of it. So in this drink, I'm gonna be using 2 tablespoons of the sweetened matcha powder. Now I'm just going to pop on the lid. How did that go so wrong? And now we can give this a really good shake until the powder is completely dissolved and mixed in with the lemonade. Does this not look cool already? Okay, let's give it a shake. Okay, that's it. We are like good to go. 2 ingredients, no time whatsoever. If this is your favorite Starbucks drink, you do not have an excuse not to make this from home. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this right into my Starbucks cup, pop in the lid and the straw. It looks so cool. It does look like a little bit like green juice, but I guarantee you this tastes so much better than green juice, like so much better. But yeah, let's see how this tastes. Oh my gosh. Okay, you cannot go wrong with matcha, and you cannot go wrong with lemonade. This is just a match made in heaven. Oh my gosh. This is like such a bougie lemonade. This is very like LA, very California. I'm obsessed. Matcha just has such a unique and distinct flavor that I love. People tend to be on the extremes with matcha, like really, really like it or really, really don't. I'm in the really, really like camp, and this is one of my favorite ways to have matcha. I might like this even a little bit more than like matcha lattes. It's so much more refreshing, it's so much more light, and I really do think the natural green tea flavor and the lemon from the lemonade are just like, so good. So I will have everything I used in this video and the full recipe listed down below. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I have all that information down below as well. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.